Hi guys, welcome to Chicken Tech World YouTube channel. Yeah, you're welcome. And in this video, we're actually looking at website designing in full. Yeah, what I mean by that is that in this video, we'll actually be creating a website together, be creating a brand new website. So I'll be taking you through all of the process in which we go through as a website designer to actually create a real stunning professional website, starting from how we get the hosting and domain, and then how we actually install WordPress through the cPanel, how we install our plugins, our themes, and how we build a website. So that's what we'll do in this video. And this video will be using an e-commerce website as a case study. So I'll be building a full-fledged e-commerce website in this video in less than 1 hour. So guys, follow me as we get started. And so guys, so probably if you are actually from my WhatsApp class, so by now you have understand what an hosting and a domain actually is. So you should have understand what a hosting and domain is because we have actually treated it in the WhatsApp class. So, and if you need more clarification, just stay tuned because we'll actually be doing the practical aspect now. So previously, I usually take my student through getting foreign hosting because when it comes to the service and support, they're actually the best. And most of the time, I've actually always used Namecheap. So, but since last year, we've been experiencing challenges in payments, and that is why in this new video, I want to actually switch to our own Nigerian hosting. So, and then switching to Nigerian hosting, the hosting I will be recommending for you guys is actually QServer because while I've been using Namecheap for years, I've also been able to use QServer for years. I have quite a number of projects on QServer as well, and that is why I can actually vouch for them. So, very quickly, we'll be going into QServer. So QServer is actually a Nigerian hosting platform. So if you want to get to QServer, so all you have to do is just to save yourself the stress, just type in when you type in the name of a website gquentechworld.online slash, you can just say slash Q server, and this will take you directly to the QServer website. So, and in case if you don't know, this link here is actually going to redirect you to my affiliate link. So where I get just a token as a bonus for referral. So so this is how you can get to QServer. And if you don't actually want to stress yourself at all, you can just go underneath this video where the description is. So just go to the video description, you see it there, then just click on the link and it will take you directly to the QServer website right here. So now we are at QServer and we want to get a hosting and domain for our project. So what do we need to do? So we need to first of all know the domain we're actually going to use, the name of our domain. So this the hosting here. So you can what you have to choose here is website hosting. Don't go to WordPress or any other. Just click on website hosting. So when you get to website hosting, you see their packages like this. So we have hosting as much as 9,000 naira per year with 6 gigabyte storage, then a free.com.ng. So then what you can do guys is that you can just quickly glance through all of these features. So but for now I just want to show you a quick run through of how we do it. So what I'll do is, for the sake of this tutorial, for this video, I'll just walk you through. I already have an account that I'll actually be using, so but I'll just walk you through how to go about it. So you can click on order today now. So you click on order today. So then this is where we are right now. So let me click on order now. So then after that, you need to, like I told you, you need to already have the name of the domain you want to register. Probably is the name of your business. So in my case, let me just type in gcoin.com. So I'm just showing you. Do you understand? So what you need to do for .ng, it's usually a little bit cost. Do you understand? So if you are going for .ng, it's going to be a little bit cost. But if you are going for .com.ng, that is their cheapest plan. Do you understand? So let me go for .com.ng, and I'll click on continue. Okay, yeah, it says congratulations. It says congratulations, gcointechcore.com.ng is available. How long do you want to register this for? So I'll just choose 1 year, so you can switch, you can change the year here, but I want to go for 1 year. So these are other names that I can also look at. So as you can see, .com.ng is just 1000 naira. So I will come here and click on continue. So right now, this is my checkout page. Okay, this is the cart here. So how much am I paying now? Our hosting is monthly here. The monthly fee is 900 naira. So while the yearly fee is I think that's the 9000 naira, as you can see monthly here. So annually, yeah, this is the annually means yearly. So if you want to go for the yearly, you come for annually, which is the 9000 naira per year. So this is what you click on. Do you understand? So and that's why we have 9675 naira. Let me just click on continue. So let me check this too and click on continue. So this is it now. So right now we can fill in our details. So let me fill in a detail here. So very quickly, I will just pause the video to fill up these details. So right now I have actually successfully filled my details now. So what I want to do now is I'm going to go down here and click on checkout. So don't forget to actually click on this I have read and agree, or else it's not going to go. So click on checkout. So and now, as you can see, this is how much I'm actually going to pay. So I can either pay with my card here, or I can use USSD. But I don't usually use USSD. I either use my card or bank. So do you get? So sorry, or bank app rather. So I usually use my card, and so let me cancel this for you so you can see other mode. So as you can see, it's currently on flutter wave, and that's why it brought us to that place. So you can also use paystack too. So do you see? So as I've chosen paystack, so if I should click on pay now, let me take it back to paystack. So if I should click on pay now, so as you can see, so this is the paystack home. So it all depends on which one, whichever. So but in terms of this payment, you can always use your access bank card. If you have a kuda account, you can use their card, GTB. So those are the banks that usually work well without any issue. So there's something I actually did not mention when we were actually choosing our domain name. So I didn't tell you that there are some times that your domain name might not be available. So what I mean is that maybe the particular domain that you try to use, someone has used it before. But in my own case, because no one has actually used gcointechcore.com.ng before, that was why it he said it was available the other time. So you have to be specific. So if you choose a domain and they say it's no longer available, so you have to try another name. So very quickly, what I have done is I have filled my information. So immediately I filled my information, I clicked on pay. So then it brought me this window. So all I have to do is click on proceed. So then to take us to this place. So this is where we're actually going to um, verify through OTP. So I'll just click on continue. So now I need to, like I told you, I'm using my CUDA card. So now I need to get my OTP. So they would have sent it to me on my SMS. So let me just pause the video and get it. So right now I've gotten the OTP. So I'll just paste it here. Then I'll click on pay. Okay, I think there's something wrong here. So let me click on pay again. So let me check it again. I don't know what's wrong, but let me just click on resend code so that they can resend it again. So normally in your case you might see email here. So recently they have removed my own option of email. I don't know why. So it's only through text SMS that I get my OTP now. So I'll click on continue. So let me go and check it again. So this is the new one. So I just hope it works. I don't know what happened the other time. So I'll come back here. I'll paste it here and let's see. So it says thanks for your payment. Your transaction was completely completed successfully. So let's wait for a bit. It's still rolling so that it can direct us back to the dashboard. So it's not redirecting me. I don't know why, but maybe let me just okay. Yeah. So it has finally redirected me. So the payment has been confirmed. So what we can do now is you can come here or you can just come here and go to home. So as you can see right here in home, we have um we have one services here. We have one domain. This service means that's our hosting. So if I click on the host, the so as you can see it says monthly. So I eventually changed it to monthly the other time. So then the domains. So this is the domain that we have. So it's gonna expire by next year. So right now, what normally happens is that we to actually start building our website, we need to actually um, wait for a few moments. So we need to wait for a few minutes so that everything will be activated. So let me click on active here. So this is what we'll be using here. Log into cPanel, but I'll be back shortly. I just want to be sure if everything is activated. So I'll click on manage domain. So domain currently unlocked. You should enable to register lock unless you are transferring domain. Okay. So right now it says active. So our status is active. So let me click on the domain. So you see currently it will not go. So we still need to give it some more time. So it's not going to work currently, as you can see. So but let me go to domains here. So you can check my domains here as well to see the status. So it says enabled active. So now the next thing we need to do is to go to our cPanel. This is the place to go to cPanel, log into cPanel. So I'll just click on this. So if you're also from my WhatsApp class, we also talked a bit about cPanel, my WhatsApp class. So this is our cPanel now. So from here we will be able to do a whole lot of things. So it's from here that we will be able to install our Wordpress, which is the CMS in which we can use to create our website. It is from here also that we also make use of our script, that we'll be able to install our script to create much more technical website. So now to create our WordPress website, all we need to do is this our C panel. Just come down here where it says scripts. So this is it here, WordPress. So I'll just open it in a new tab. So then I'll come here. So now to install WordPress, you just here where it says install, don't click on it. Just come here to this small arrow here. So click on this small arrow, then click on quick install. So then this is our domain. As you can see, it has been selected there already. So what we want to do now, as you can see, it's the only one. So what I want to do now is come here and clean this WP. If not, it's going to create a folder for it, and which will not be good. So clean it, then this is where we set up our username and password. So I will just use a password. Let me just set up a password quickly. So now I have set up a password. So this is the email that you want to use. So you just put your email there. So in my own case, I'll just leave this one there, though it's not active. But in your own case, just make sure you put your email so that you'll be able to reset your password if you forget at any point. So I'll just click on install right now. So it says installation cannot proceed. Files already exist in target file. Please delete this files. Okay. So now what we need to do is we need to select this place, select the checkbox to overwrite all files and continue. So what happens is that it's telling me that there's actually a file that is inside this place. So then it does not want to install WordPress. But so once we select this place, it means WordPress should overwrite that file and that file should be deleted. So we just select it and then we go to install. Click on install again. So this time around it should work. So and as you can see, it has successfully installed. So right now, if I should click here, it will take me to the website. But if I should click on here which says slash WP admin, it should take me to where I'm going to log into my website. But as you can see, none of it is working yet. Like I told you, you still have to wait for like a couple of minutes. So what I will do is I will pause this video and come back in after around like 30 minutes again to check if our website is now working. So guys, yeah, I'm back again. So what actually happened was that after like several hours of over 7 to 12 hours, I discovered that the website was not actually loading, and it's unusual. So what I did was I actually went on to actually submit a ticket to their customer support. So they now told me that the name servers were pointing to the wrong server, and I've now updated the name servers and the site should come up soon. Please wait for at most 48 hours for the name servers to propagate. So now in this case, although I don't know why this issue ought to happen, because I directly bought the hosting and domain from them. This case ought to happen maybe when you want to transfer a domain from another hosting to them or something like that. So I don't know why they have to. But that's just it. There are sometimes you might have issues like this. So all you have to do is just reach out to the customer support. So it's not yet up to 48 hours now, and when I actually tested the site, I discovered that it was already working. So let me so this is the link once again. Don't forget this well actually installed WordPress. So I tested it on my phone and discovered that it is working. And as you can see, so the site has started working. So let me just show you how I let me log in again. So right here, all you do is just put your Gmail, the Gmail you used to register, then your password. So so right now I'm back inside my dashboard. So as you can see, it tells me that I already have one ticket. So how you can do it in your own case, if you experience such, you just to come here and click on open ticket. So then you go to technical because it's a technical problem. So then you type for the name of the main solution. In my own case, I just typed website not working, and then I sent them my message. This is what I sent them. Okay, um, I can't find the message. Well, I just told them that I actually bought a domain and hosting for over 5 hours and it's not yet working. That they should look at the problem. Then I copied the name of the website, the name of the domain. I pasted it there so they can know which website I'm talking about. So then they replied to me after like few minutes. So and then that was just it. And it was solved. So now what I want to do is, since the website is now working and we've installed WordPress, so what I want to do is, so this is the default page that you will see when you have not started working on your website. So what we want to do is we want to start building our website. Like I told you, we're going to be building an e-commerce website. So what do I need to do is, now we want to log into our website. This is actually our hosting. This is our hosting where we are working. So now we want to work inside our website directly and we want to log in. So I just closed a particular place now. I ought to have showed you something. So what we need to do is, to log into your website, just type your website name like this. So I want to do it in a new tab so you will see it. Type your website name, then stroke. The stroke is there already. Type WPI admin. So when we installed WordPress, you discover that we also had this link down there, and I told you that's linked to the login. So I'll just press enter. So now to log in, don't forget this is the same information that we filled when we were creating our WordPress, when we were installing our WordPress. So don't forget. So this is where I'm talking about the when we were installing WordPress, the username and password you created here is what you're actually going to use to log in here. So please don't forget that. It's very, very important. So then I will type in the password I've typed in that time. So then this should log me in. So as you can see, we are already in our website dashboard. So this is what we call the WordPress dashboard. Yeah, this is the WordPress dashboard, and this is where we'll actually be doing all of our website designing process. So this is where we'll actually be doing everything. So very quickly, I walk you through the features we have on our dashboard. As you can see, we are currently on the home, and this is what we have on the home. So we have posts. So this is where you get to create your blog post. So you can check all your blog posts and you can add new. This media, this is where we upload pictures, videos and such. Pages, this is where we create pages. You can leave this one for now. Appearance, this is where we install themes. Plugin, this is where we install and delete plugins. Then all of this we'll be looking at later. So but for now, all I want to do right now is I want to show you how I actually basically create um my a professional e-commerce website. So, and in the process of showing you how to create a professional e-commerce website, I would also be showing you how to create more other type of website too, because it's also almost like the same method I use to create other types of websites. So I will just show you now. It's not going to be very, very long. So to go on ahead, I will just go straight to the point right now in this video. So, and what I normally do here is I'll go on to appearance. Yeah, and this way I go get to install my theme, the theme I want to use for this website. So then I'll click on add new. So then I'm gonna click on, because I'm actually going to be using a premium theme. So what I mean is that a premium theme is a theme that I actually bought. It's a premium theme. It's not a free theme. So that's one of the things that I use to make work much more easier for myself. So I'm going to click on upload. I'm going to choose file. So right here is my WordPress tools like premium plugins and themes. I have templates here as well. So I'm going to choose Flux Pro here. Then I'm going to go inside theme. Then I'm going to choose it here, and then I'm going to click on install. So this is what we're going to see now. So it says installing theme from uploaded file. Now we can click on activate. So I'm going to click on activate, because for you to build your website you need a theme and some bunch of plugins, and that's what I'm actually doing. So now I've installed and activated a premium theme, for that matter, not a free theme. So now I want to activate some other plugins that will actually be needed for that theme, which is this one. I'm going to click on installing. So it's going to install at least 3 plugins for me. So let me show you the plugins here. Installed plugins. So right now you can see these are the plugins that we have. This one just came in now because it's currently installing them. So it's going to install Elementor 2 for me, because Elementor, that is the plugin that we'll actually be using to design the website. So let's just wait for a few moments for it to install the necessary plugins that it needs. And so it has installed Elementor, and right now it's installing Flux Pro 2 plugin. So all of these plugins are usually premium, but I'll be explaining more about that to you in a few moments. And currently now, if I should reload this place, reload my plugins, as you can see, I've added more plugins. I've added Elementor, Flux Core Elements, Flux Pro 2, and so on. So these plugins are like what will give your website some more functionality for you to be able to build your website. And this theme will give us the layout of that website. So, and that is why if I should come here, which is our website page, sorry, yeah, and if I should reload it, you discover that the pages have changed. Do you see? So the reason is because of this theme that I just installed. So the theme actually controls the layout of your pages in your website, while the plugins are actually what you will use to give your website more functionality. So one of the functionality is building of your website designing, which is going to be done by this stuff here, Elementor. So but for now, I don't want to actually design my website from scratch, because normally I don't design websites from scratch, because I get projects almost every day. If I don't get project every day, at least 3 or 4 projects in a week. Yeah, through my marketing strategy, I'm able to get 3 or 4 projects in a week, and that's why I need premium stuffs like this to be able to make work more easier for me. So what I do is I come to this place where it says demo importer here, and then you'll be able to see a whole bunch of templates that we can use. You see them. So this is what I do. So, and that's why I said in the process of showing you how I build a e-commerce website, I'll be showing you how to do other type of website too. So let me show you another template kit here. So we have been able to get a whole lot of premium templates that you need to build your website. So don't actually be confused. Premium templates are different from free templates. Free templates are not as professional as this. So, and you see we have different category: business, entertainment. So but I want to go to demo importer. So what demo importer will do for me is that it's going to give me access to a full blown already created website. So let me go to business. So like let me show you what I'm talking about. So now these are business websites. Do you see? So let's say for example it's a business website I want to create, and this is a construction website. So let me show you the preview of this um importer here, demo importer here. So as you can see, this is it. So if let's assume it's a construction website I want to create, so this is just what I will do. I will check different construction websites that we have in that template, and as you can see, it's a professional website that some professionals have built. So they have now put them inside the premium theme that I installed so that you can have access to them. So what I will do is I will just come and use something like this and install it on my website. So that I will not have to start building my website from scratch. But in my mentorship training, I will still going to teach you how to build all of these things too by yourself from scratch in case you do want to use templates. But I already explained to you the main reason why I use templates is because I used to have a lot of projects and I need to get my work faster and make more money. The faster you get your work done, more money you can make. So this is just it. So very quickly, I don't want to waste much of our time. So as you can see, we have different types of websites under business. We have services, we have creative. This is for blog and magazine. You see all those blog posts. This is what they used to use. So this is an example of a template for blog. So you see. So maybe if it is a blog I want to create, I'll just come and use something like this for my design process. I'll just install it. I'll show you how to install it in a moment. As you can see, this tech blog, and we have many blog websites for check beauty and health. Maybe you have a beauty website. Look at this, website for an hospital, a website for pharmacy. Let me show you what you get inside it. See, so it's a website built for pharmacy, so you can also use it. In fact, it also comes with e-commerce to sell some stuff. So but because of time, I will actually leave you to actually explore with this when I've given you access to all of these stuff. So you can explore them on your own, but because of time, I just want to go on and create an e-commerce website. As you can see, to create, I just went to shop. So shop is for e-commerce website. So as you can see, these are different types of e-commerce websites. So I don't know which one I should choose. I can actually choose anyone. So let me check. Let me check this. Grocery shop. So I'm just going to choose anyone for the sake of these videos so it can be fast. As you can see, I think I like this. Yeah, I think this is okay. Yeah, let's create this. Let's use this. So this, like maybe you have a client that is into stuff like this, selling stuff like this, you can actually use a template like this. And maybe if your client is into some selling something else, like what else? See, if you have a client that wants to sell mobile phone gadgets like this on his website, you see, you can do this for the client. Okay, in our case, you know what? Let's assume our client is the person that is selling gadgets like this. Yeah. So let's install this. Let's install this. So to install this, what I need to do is come back to my templates gallery here. Instead of preview, then I'll click on import. So then I'll click on continue. So now it tells me that it needs this list of plugins. So then I will just click on install plugins. So it's going to install all of these plugins automatically. You know, I told you plugins are what the functionalities you need to build a website. So this template will not work without all of these plugins. So we need them. So I'll just click on install plugins. So then it's going to start installing all of those plugins for me one by one. So it has successfully installed those plugins. Now what I need to do now is I'll just click on skip here. So then it says import demo content. So I want everything to be imported. Click on import, and right now it says importing demo content is in progress. As you can see, this is the progress status. So what I have to do is now is that it says this process may take up to 5 to 10 minutes. So sometimes might not even be up to 5 minutes. So what I'll do is I'll just wait a bit for it to actually go on. So I will speed this aspect so it can actually go on. And so right now it says congratulations, demo has been successfully imported. So right now what we can do is we can click on this preview to show to see how our website actually looks. Let me just click on this preview. But instead of that, I will just come here. So don't forget this is our website here. So I will just reload it so then you can see what we have right now. So do you see everything has suddenly changed? So we've gotten new designs. So what remains right now is just for me to start editing this website. So many things has been added, like the pictures of these stuffs like this of this product. So what remains is for me to start editing the website. So and to edit the website, I can easily click on edit with Elementor here. So let me click on it. So now let me show you something else. So because of this website that we have installed, if you should go to our pages now, you discover that we add more pages. So we've gotten the home page, checkout page, and all of these. So all of these pages actually came with the templates that we installed right now, so that we can be able to edit them. So now this is where we edit our website, like I told you before. So maybe for example, if this smartphone is too big for me, so I can just easily come here to come and change the size. You see, or maybe I don't actually want a particular button, I can just delete it here. So there's no much deal about creating websites. So this is the navigator. I can quickly go to wherever I want inside the website without having to scroll on the website. So then open the stores that are inside, open more stores inside. So as you can see, so we have different features here. So what I want to do is, because this video is long already, at least to already see how we create a professional e-commerce website from scratch. So what I will do now, in case this a real project, is that I will collect the pictures that my client wants to use in his website. Then I will come here and start to edit all of this picture. As you can see, this is where we can edit picture. This is the media library where we can upload more pictures. So if I want to upload picture now, just come and upload, select file, then I don't know if I have some pictures here. So then go to, okay, I don't have any phone picture here, but let's just assume, let me just use any picture so you can see. Just for the sake of this stuff, it's now a phone picture. So I will just click on select here. So then it's going to change the picture, as you can see. So the picture is somehow heavy. So now as you can see, I'm just showing you all of these things. So now I will just click on update, then it's going to save the changes. then you can preview your website here. So right now, let's assume someone wants to buy something on this website. So as you can see, it's a full e-commerce website. So Apple, iPhone X, Nokia. So let's assume I want to get this. So you see, we're already at our add to cart page, the product page. We call this place the product page. So this is where we can add it to cart. As you can see, we have different variation. So but right now, I will just stop this video here for the sake of I don't want to bombard you so much with um information yet. So we still have more classes to go. Then I will break down more and more for you. But before we go, there's one more thing I want to show you. And so this is what I want to actually show you. So come to here, this is my WP tools folder, and this is the folder I create for all of the premium plugins and themes that I buy for my web design stuffs, for my web design project. So like I showed you, I have Elementor Pro, and I want to show you my templates. I also have more templates than I just showed you now. This is my 1000 plus template kit, because in this template kit here we have over a thousand of design. Let me show you. So these are the ones that I have used, that I have extracted. Like inside this business, as you can see, we have a whole lot of templates. We have a whole over 100 of templates. As you can see, we have a bunch of templates, and we don't only have just one business, we have another business here. So sorry, we have another business here. So different as in template that I can install. So this has make this web design to be a lot more easier for me, a whole lot easier. So I don't build websites from scratch. This blog templates, as you can see. So and we have more templates. So we have business, we have creative, we have education, events, food, real estate, photography, travel, technology. So these are the ones that I've used for my projects. There are series some that I've not even used at all, and those are the ones that I've not yet extracted. Like this wedding, I've not done a wedding project yet. Which one again? I've not done a automotive project yet. Okay, but I think I extracted it here. So there is something about this. So now these templates here are over 1000 of quality designs, just like the ones I showed you that I use. And then I also have premium themes, like this is these premium themes here are over 50. There are over 50 that I have gotten in the course of the years of my experience as a website designer. As you can see, over 50. The ones I've even used are not more than 10, because the ones I've used alone are very, very stunning, and they have a lot of functionality. So these are the things that you'll be benefiting from my training, because joining my training, I'll be giving you access to all of this. So as you're already in my class, yeah. So the essence of all this is for you to know that you actually don't need a previous knowledge about design. You don't need any previous knowledge about design or any technical knowledge of whatsoever for you to get started. So with my training, I'm actually going to teach you how to build highly professional websites in just weeks. Yeah, I'm going to be teaching you things that people are learning for months, for years, to be able to create. You with me, I'll actually be showing them how to do them in the space of a week, in the space of a month. To be creating highly stunning projects that people use 6 months, 1 year to learn. Yeah. So website design is on another level right now, and we need to actually move with it. So this will bring me to the end of today's videos class. So in much in the next class, I'll be showing you how to create more and more professional websites. I'll be dropping more videos to you guys.